You might be the best at what you do, but still lose business because you look like an amateur. Most small business owners unknowingly sabotage trust with tools that you use every single day. If your email ends in Gmail or your documents don't match your brand, then this is for you. I met a business owner who was getting 0 responses to her business. She hired me to implement what I'm about to show you, and they went from being completely ignored to getting their very first client in just a week. Let's start with your plan. Microsoft has, of course, multiple plan options. And if you've got a personal or family plan that you've been using for your business, well, I'm sorry to tell you, that just won't cut it. It just doesn't have the tools that you need as a business to make it. If you're worried about spending more money to upgrade, I'll tell you how you can save money in just a moment. When you have a Microsoft business plan, you're unlocking the tools that you need to look professional from day one. The simple plan is to buy your domain, your business name, connect it to your website and your 365 so that your email and everything else is branded as a professional business. If you're not sure what I'm talking about for a personal and a business plan, then here is a direct comparison. You'll see the apps listed in the personal plan on the left has what you need, Microsoft Office, but comparing it to all of the apps, all the tools that you get with a business plan, there is really no comparison. I've already mentioned that you should purchase your domain and connect it to your email. Why? Well, let's be honest. Which email address are you more likely to trust? Michelle@gmail.com or michelle@michellektraining.co.uk? This is a single change that allows your business to come across as professional and not just a hobby. And if you're still not sure, have you ever noticed how so many scammers are using personal email addresses? They don't tend to use business ones. So make sure that your clients are seeing a professional email address that allows them to have the trust in you that you and your business deserves. So, now that your authority has been created, let's make sure that everything you send feels professional too. Most businesses send documents that honestly just don't match their brand. It kills how valuable your company appears to clients. It means that you're going to end up struggling to actually charge what your business and what your skills are worth. With Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, you can easily build branded templates. That's invoices, client letters, decks, reports, all using your fonts, your logos, your brand. Don't just email a document, send a consistent, cohesive message with every file that you share. Add a logo to Microsoft Teams and make sure that your Outlook email signature is professional as well. It all reinforces trust with your clients. Now, let's talk about how to save money, which is important if you're a new business. But if you want to save some time, then go ahead and grab my 15 top productivity tips for Microsoft 365, covering all of the key applications. The link is in the description of this video and up above. Are you still using Zoom for your online meetings? Have you realized that you're already paying with your M365 business plan for a professional version? Yes, that's Microsoft Teams. You don't need to pay for both. Plus, Teams is built for client meetings and feels more professional with built-in branding, scheduling, and integration with other tools. And before you wonder, yes, Microsoft Teams is becoming an industry standard, and it seems to be taking over in certain instances from Zoom. So no, it won't make you look bad. Also won't need another calendar tool. When you've already got Microsoft bookings, clients can schedule with you directly, none of that backwards and forwards on emails or messages, to find the time that suits everybody. You've also got another branding opportunity to add your branded email signature to every invite when your clients book through Microsoft Bookings straight into your calendar. It's a tiny detail, but it's one that can help you build trust fast. With your communications cleaned up, it's time to fix that part that quietly eats your time. Yes, file chaos. When you're scrambling to find that right version, the up-to-date version of a file, it signals disorganization to your clients. Use OneDrive for Business and SharePoint for file storage and secure sharing. You'll be able to protect sensitive information even while allowing collaborative work and making it effortless with your clients. Use SharePoint's linking to share files instead of random attachments, which may or may not be the correct version. It's safer, smarter, and makes your business look more polished. Clients will start noticing when your systems are clean. It shows you're ready to handle bigger work. Now that your files are handled, there's one last thing that pulls it all together. Most people, myself included, will wait until they're overwhelmed to build systems. And honestly, that's already too late. With built-in tools like Microsoft To Do and Microsoft Planner, you can build those checklists, track projects, and assign deadlines. This is for everybody, whether you're a solo business or you're looking to scale into more employees. Even basic workflows like onboarding, invoicing, or content creation becomes so much easier to repeat when it's written down and you can just work through it. With processes in place, you're not just looking professional, you are professional. The key thing is, the tools are already in your Microsoft 365 plan. You just need to set them up the right way, and feel free to reach out if you'd like some help with that. If you want more step-by-step guides for Microsoft 365 that can save you hours of guessing, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Now let me give you your professional transformation plan. First step, claim your business identity with your custom domain and business class emails. Build that brand consistency by using templates with all of your business files. Streamline your systems. Make sure that you are using the tools that you have available within your business plan and you're not paying for things that you don't honestly need. And finally, implement workflows that support growth without adding chaos to your day.